Hello, today we're at Six Flags Magic Mountain. We're going to check out the Oktoberfest, and we will be checking out the new Wonder Woman roller coaster.
So excited.
So we'll see you inside. Okay, now we're approaching the revamped DC Universe. The sign looks pretty cool. Now we're getting in line for Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. Line doesn't seem too long. Okay, we just got off Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. Oh my gosh, that was such an awesome ride. Lots of airtime, lots of airtime.
Exhilarating.
I wasn't expecting much going into it, but oh, so worth the wait, although we only waited like 20-25 minutes. So let's see what adventure awaits. Sorry, but the sound quality was not that good with the loud music going on in the background. Oktoberfest is running now until October 31st and is located at Ace of Clubs in the Metropolis area at the back of the park. The cost is $29.99 for 2 menu items and a 22-ounce Oktoberfest Stein with your choice of beverage. You can purchase items individually as well. We got the brat. This item is offered with your choice of sauerkraut or grilled onions. We got ours with only spicy mustard. This was really good. The bread was a little on the dry side, but really didn't take away from the taste of the brat. We also purchased the Gouda mac and cheese. This was so creamy and delicious. I was really surprised at the quality and taste of the food for being at an amusement park. We also got the 22-ounce Oktoberfest mug with Sam Adams Oktoberfest. This is what's offered on their menu. That concludes our day here at Six Flags. Really enjoyed Wonder Woman. The Oktoberfest food was actually surprisingly good. I would definitely recommend. So there you have it. If you like this video, please comment below, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.